Alright, we're going to create a bar chart. First step is select cells A2 to F7. Then go to the Insert tab and click the bar button. Right here. Then click 3D clustered bar subtype. Which would be this one. Drag the clustered bar chart to the left below the worksheet data. Then select A2 to F7 again on the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click the bar button again. And select the 3D stacked bar subtype. Then position this chart right next to the other one, like so. Click the Move Chart button in the Chart Tools tab, and in the new sheet box type Stacked Bar and click OK. Then click the Data Worksheet tab. Click the Clustered Bar Chart and click the Move Chart button again. Name this chart Clustered Bar. And then click OK. And then save the workbook. And that's it.